Hi car friends, in this video I will show you how to calibrate the anti-pinch feature for a SAAB ng9-3. The anti-pinch is a safety feature that prevents the windows from closing, if there is an obstacle, like a child's arm. You need to do this if the vehicle has lost battery power, or the power windows was repaired. As the power windows do not know their upper and lower limits, this must be calibrated. Here you see that the windows do not go up automatically. To calibrate, you must lower and raise the window manually, keeping the button pushed down. You must do this 2 times. After the second time you will hear a beep. After this the calibration process is finished. Here are the results. This must be done to all windows if the power was lost. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.